Hello everyone and welcome back to another Marble Snap tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can join a multiplayer match on Marble Snap. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device, and after you have played a few matches, the friendly battle option will be unlocked. After this, go ahead and click on it, and now you will see two different options. If you are the one hosting the match, then you will need to go with the create option. Otherwise, in order to join somebody else's match, tap on the join button. When you tap on this, you will be asked to enter the code in order to join this game. Before entering the code, make sure to choose your deck by clicking on your selected deck at the left side of the join button. After choosing which deck you would like to play as, go ahead and enter the game code within the code screen. After entering it, you can tap on the join button, and now this will begin searching for the game. And once the match has been found, it will begin right away. You can play as many matches together as you wish from the friendly battle section, and that is how you can join a multiplayer battle on Marble Snap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on Marble Snap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.